Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to design your own personalized plate. Well, hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and I have a fun project to bring you today. This is a way for you to personalize plates for every season. I'm going to be using a Sharpie permanent marker. Now I chose a fine point. Depending on your design, you can choose whichever tip you want. I'm going to be using some rubbing alcohol to clean down my plate, make sure I get all oily residue off of it. I'm just going to give it a good wipe down, and then I'm going to let it dry. Now I personally am using a level because I'm going to put a piece of painter's tape. I will use that line as a guide to write my word on. Now this plate I'm making for Valentine's Day, so I am going to use the word love. But it would be so cute to make plates for each holiday or for family members, anything fun, bridal showers, baby showers. Okay, now that line's just going to be my guide. I'm going to take my marker and what I did was I kind of Googled and looked for an inspiration, and that's what I'm using right there on my phone. And I'm going to freehand it. Well, I'm happy with that. Now I'm just going to go in and I'm going to enhance the lines that I want thicker. Well, there you have it. Look at how cute that came out. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to freehand a heart underneath that word love. And I'm happy with that. Okay, now you're going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. Now, I would not recommend putting this in a dishwasher, but I would hand wash these. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Remember, your home should be a beautiful reflection of you and your family. And if you like DIYs, decorating, crafting, and cooking, all things home, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I hope you are having a blessed day. Come back and see me again.